I'm standing in the female Cascades factory, a factory really being a workhouse, a penitentiary, prison for females in Hobart, just outside Hobart under Mount Wellington. And this location here for the factory was originally a rum distillery and was bought by the government in 1826 as somewhere to house convicts, women convicts. So the women convicts were marched here in the middle of the night so as not to attract any attention from the locals or the sailors down at the port in Hobart, and they came here and spent either as a first, second or third class prisoner their years here. They could be here for 7, 14, 21 or life, depending on what their crime was. For a crime as little as stealing an egg. The guide told us there was a little girl picked up. She was 11 years and sent out here for stealing an egg. So it's been almost traumatic really for us just even looking around the yards, as they were called. And this is the women's clothes just behind me here, which would have been really heavy cotton. Their heads were shaved when they came here. They were put into these heavy cotton outfits and marked with C for convict, and really it was very, very inhuman. And we're here now on the final yard that we've been brought to, and this is the nursery, and as many as 75% of the children died here. And of course they were never allowed here after the age of 3, and they were moved on to the orphanage. So it's quite shocking, but I suppose one hopeful thing about it was at the end I remember reading that between 1 in 5 and 1 in 7 Australians today are descended from these women who were, as our guide said, more sinned against than sinners.